Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Yes, in pure yellow Lord Guru Bhagavan conch collected from Indian version. This conch is pure yellow color and it is very rare to get. Yellow color is for Lord Guru Bhagavan. By having this conch with you, you will be fully blessed with Lord Guru Bhagavan and your business will get improved and you will get huge profit in your business. By having this conch with you, you will get very good profit in your business and your business will be improved very much and it will give way to new business. Such amazing conch it is. It is pure yellow color. It is called Lord Guru Bhagavan conch for your business improvements. Pure yellow color conch. Nowadays this is very rare to get. These conches are very rare to collect. Beautiful conch. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.